there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today is a slightly different video because it is to launch my Blends Club. You already know that I do monthly craft boxes, which have been going really well. And I have heard that one of the real attractions to those is that it helps people budget for things that they really want, where they don't necessarily have the budget to do it quite as they would like. So I thought a Blends Club might be something that people are interested in. The official main launch for the blends was in the Spring-Summer catalogue, which is the Current Occasions catalogue. There was a pre-launch, if you like, just before Christmas last year. As part of that pre-launch, there were also two items that were launched, which was the Colour Me Happy stamp set and the Colour Me Happy project kit. I have checked and they are both, as I'm recording this, they are both still available. Can I just say, robins. I made so many Christmas cards with these two, the skinny robin and the fat robin. So don't, you know, there's lots you can do with it, and we always need a thank you card. So I will link these in the blog post that goes with this video, which is immediately below here, just so that you can see the item numbers and get all the details. However, that's not really what this is about, but I just wanted to remind people that those are still available. So, oh, and I should say the stamp set's on red rubber, so it comes in clear, which obviously you can use with a new Stamparatus if you've already got it, or if you wait until June when it comes out in the main catalogue. So, Blends Club. There are 12 colours of blends, and each colour comes in two shades, so there's a light and a dark. The colours are Bermuda Bay, Calypso Coral, Cherry Cobbler, Crumb Cake, Daffodil Delight, Night of Navy, Old Olive, Pink Pirouette, Pool Party, Pumpkin Pie, Rich Raspberry and Smoky Slate. In addition, there is Ivory, Bronze, and those two are what's called the skin tones. The Colour Lifter, which helps sort out mistakes. And of course, in order to use the blends, you need the Tuxedo Black Memento ink pad. If you wanted to get the whole collection, excluding the Memento pad, it would cost you £108. There's no discount or bundle for getting all of them, and that's 27 markers. It's 27 divided into 108 is £4, and that's how much each marker costs. The combos are combo packs, so the light and the dark of each shade are £8. So the club will run for 3 months. It can be a rolling 3 months, but your 3 months has to be a solid 3 months. So there's no, you know, it won't be a question of I'll do it in March and then I'll do it in June and then I'll do it in October. It would need to be a 3-month commitment. Although having said that, you can drop out partway through if you want. That's fine. But if you hit all the 3 months back to back, there'll be extra goodies. So the deal is that each month you get any 4 duo packs. So 4 duo packs would look like that. No, that's 3. That's 4, like that, or like that, or like that. But obviously there could be any. So you get to choose which 4 duo packs you get each month. The first month, and this might be the only month, but the first month you will get free the Tuxedo Black Memento ink pad, because you need that in order to use the blends without the ink bleeding. So you will get that free. That will be included. The second month of your back-to-back months, you will get the Colour Lifter. The third month, if you do all 3, you will get the 2 skin tones. So each month you will get something free. So the first one will be the Memento ink pad, then the Colour Lifter, and then the 2 skin tones. So the total saving will be, because of the free things, will be £17.50. Each month will cost you £32. So if you do all 3 months, you will save £17.50 on buying everything individually. I will include free postage and obviously packing. And if you hit all 3 months, I will include a free item. Now, because we're looking at this being a rolling 3 months, I can't guarantee what the item will be, but I'm thinking probably one of the Hostess stamps, which you can only get with Hostess rewards. So that's where I'm thinking. But I can't guarantee what that will be, because obviously we are, we're coming to the end of the spring summer catalogue and the annual catalogue. But what I will say is that it will be a Hostess set. So just bear that in mind, that if you get all of these over a solid 3-month period, I will throw in a Hostess stamp set. Now, this is only available if you are in the UK, so please bear that in mind. You will need to email me to let me know that you wish to take part, and to select which of the duos you would like in your first month's bundle. If you order in March, I will actually order at the end of March. So if you add on any additional anything that brings your order up to £45, then I will let you have a free celebration item, because obviously you would qualify for that. So on top of your first month would be 4 duos and a Memento ink pad. So on top of that, if you order anything else that brings you up to a £45 order, then just let me know which celebration item you would like as your free item, and then I can pop that on the order as well. So obviously we need to make sure that the orders are in before the end of March. So I'm going to run this for the first month. So in order for you to hit the March deadline for celebration items, I need to know what you need by the 25th of March. Then we can do a bit of toing and froing by email just to sort everything out. So 25th of March, then if we've got all that sorted out, then you can get a free celebration item as well. And I'll post that out with your first month's blend kit. Payment will need to be in advance, obviously. And what I will do is send you an invoice, and that will be bank transfer or PayPal, possibly cheque, but we need to look at the timing on that. So I hope that is of interest to you. There will be details on my blog, obviously, linked below. If you want to be in contact with me, obviously just drop me an email, and that's liz.yuille@artlover.com, and that's on my website, so you can get to me through that. Thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope you find this useful, interesting, and all those other good things. And I will put a page up on my website so that you can look back, and obviously I will mention it every now and again. Thank you very much indeed, and I look forward to hearing from you very soon. Bye!